Hey guys, today I want to tell you a little bit about personalization, and it's something that you should definitely consider using in your business. Now, this is a really clever marketing trick because the thing is, when you're dealing with somebody as a customer, they're a customer. But when you're dealing with someone as a person, that has a much better brand relationship because it feels like it's on a much more personal level. So I'll give you a couple of examples. Starbucks started off this practice, I think it was about 2010, 2012 sort of time, where they started writing customer names on the drinks, and that did really, really well for them. And you'll probably notice that other brands have tried to do this in a more general term. So for example, Coca-Cola had the Share a Coke campaign, and what they did is they put Share a Coke with person's name underneath. Of course, it just got me with drinking loads and loads of bottles of Coke thinking I'm drinking everybody's Coke. But the thing is, it sold a lot of Coke bottles. Even today, at this moment in time, Toblerone is doing exactly the same thing, where they're putting people's names on Toblerone bars. They have things for aunts, uncles, for fathers, for mothers. They've also got a large number of different names, so it's really, really good because you can literally get a bar with somebody's name on it and give it to people. Of course, you're not going to cover every single name in the world, and there's a lot of people who won't care about it, but it's really, really fun way to market, and it can give that personal touch that makes people think, oh, that person was thinking about me. I mean, yeah, maybe the only reason I like these kind of campaigns is because I've got something to give the girlfriend, but if it works for me, it'll work for other people. Anyway, you have a good day. Take care. Bye.